Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. This is a video for Do Now Day 105. It can be found on my website. And the topic is basically what we did yesterday, MAD. So compare the grades from the last marking period of two students, Lisa and Melissa. So these are Lisa's grade and these are Melissa's grade. So these are grades from the last marking period. So first of all, it wants to know what's the average of each student's scores. Okay, so we'll work with Lisa first and then we'll work on Melissa's. So we know average, basically just talking about the mean. So very quickly, we just add them all up. And she has a sum of 420. And we're dividing by 5. And that gets us an average of 84. And then for Melissa, 85, 84, 83, 86, 82. And that's also the same exact thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, same amount. So they have the same. So they both have the same exact average of 84. What can you tell about the type of marking period each student had? All right, so we know that they have the same exact average, but if you look where their test score is similar. So Lisa's seems to be more spread out. She's everything from a 50 all the way up to 100. So kind of more inconsistent. And Melissa's is definitely more consistent. If you notice, they're all in the 80s. So Lisa and Melissa had the same average, but Lisa's grades are more spread out. Okay, and what I'm going to write, this has to do with yesterday's lesson. If they're more spread out, you should remember that this means that she has a larger MAD, mean absolute deviation. And then we have Melissa's grades were more consistent and closer together. So she's going to have a smaller MAD. So remember, the closer together, smaller the MAD, more spread out, larger the MAD. So what I actually want to do is, even though it doesn't ask for it, I would like to figure out the MAD for each one of them, just to prove it to you, okay? Because this does lead us into today's lesson. So we already know that the mean for both of them was 84. And now let's figure out the MAD, okay? And mathematically, this should prove what you wrote here. MAD for Lisa should be larger than the MAD for Melissa because hers were more spread out. Okay, so each one of Lisa's grades, how far are they from 84? So 50 would be 34, 98 would be 14, 100 would be 16, 94 would be 10, and 78 would be 6. And if we divide that all by 5, you will get 16. So to me, we kind of do yesterday's, that's like from medium to a large, MAD. It's definitely not a smaller MAD. It's definitely a medium or a large MAD. All right, so now we're going to do all of Melissa's compared to her mean of 84. So 85 is 1 away. 84 is 0. Remember, you have a mean. That's the same exact thing as a data value. It's going to be 0. So 83 would be 1. Then 2 for 86 and 2. You could already see, look how much smaller those differences are than this. So that would give us 6 over 5, which is 1.2. This is definitely smaller MAD. This is going to be closer together, where this one over here was your bigger MAD, and that's because these were more spread out. So more spread out. So if the Regents had asked you this question, they should actually justify. Justify usually means they want to see the math, so this is what you'd be showing. You'd be showing that her MAD is a lot bigger than Melissa's. More spread out, numbers closer together. All right, hopefully this helped.